Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make Edikang Ikong soup. This Edikang Ikong soup is from the eastern part of Nigeria and Calabar to be precise. I hope Cross River. Sorry if I did not say it well. I am going to make this delicious soup. It's so delicious. So to make this soup, I have so many goodies to make the soup from. I have onion, pomo, and periwinkle, different kinds of meat, assorted meat, crayfish, and ugu. This crayfish, I have blended everything in it with pepper and doses, and that's black pepper. And this, I'm going to add oil, enough oil to this soup. You need enough oil. So in a pot, I have cooked the meat already. So I add the meat in the pot. So if you have not cooked your meat, cook your meat in this process. So I am going to cook them again, just for them to boil for few minutes, about 5 minutes, because it is already done. So I am going to cook them so that they will all marinate with the onion that I'm going to add, and I'll add the fish, dry fish, and I'll now add the blended crayfish. You can add ground crayfish, the one you want. So at this stage, you can add a little bit of water, just a little bit, so that the meat can cook. But if your meat is cooked already, it's cooked it fresh. So I add Maggi powder, Maggi cube. This is not Maggi actually, it's another brand. So this is stock cube powder or stock cube. So add them and then I turn the meat. So I'll allow it to steam for like 5 minutes and come back and check. And now that it's hot and it's boiling, I'll add this water leaf. Yes, you can substitute water leaf for spinach. Yeah. So, and I will now turn it, and I'll let it cook for some time before I add ugu. Yes, I'll let it cook before I add ugu. So it is time to add the ugu, and I will let the ugu cook as well after adding it. You see, you can use kale. Kale leaf is very good to substitute for this. So I am going to add the ugu. You want to add enough ugu or enough kale or enough spinach to this, but I prefer using kale and spinach. So or you use ugu and water leaf. So that is substitute, but mainly this is what they use for. Then I'm adding oil. Yeah, you add a lot of oil to this soup. You don't need to add water. Even the water I added before is for the crayfish. That small water is enough. So I am now going to use this oil to make water and turn them. And you will let it cook for some time. And this soup will be so delicious. Look at that. Can you see how it looks? If you eat this soup, oh my goodness, you will love it. And then I'll turn and let it cook for some time, and it is ready. Just look at how pretty, how beautiful this soup is. That is how it tasted. Bye for now.